Standard emergency preparation assumes help is eventually coming. But in a localized grid collapse, you're planning for a scenario where the recovery timeline is unknown and local infrastructure is failing. Firing up a gas generator or building a cooking fire in your backyard creates highly obvious light, intense noise, and a distinct scent. In a densely populated area where stores are empty, projecting comfort makes you a target. Maintaining power and a hot meal broadcast to every person within a mile that you have resources they lack. Stealth and anonymity are the primary requirements for surviving a grid failure in a populated environment. The military uses a concept called operational security, or OPSEC, for urban and suburban survival. OPSEC is the primary filter for evaluating every tool you own. While tactical gear is a common fantasy, operational survival actually requires blending in and remaining unnoticed. This chart plots practical utility against visibility threat. High-profile items fail. A gas generator provides utility, but its noise pushes it into the high-threat zone. Success relies on obscure items. Pool shock, contractor bags, and radios sit in the high-utility, low-threat sector. Trading convenience for invisibility allows you to navigate the first 72 hours without broadcasting your location. The first skill is silent water purification. This means securing water without the smoke or fuel requirements of boiling, and without the visibility of hoarding bulky plastic cases. While crowds fight over the last bottles of water in the grocery aisle, the pool supply section usually stays untouched. The target is 68% calcium hypochlorite, or pool shock granules. This scale shows the return on that single bag. One small package of pool shock granules effectively purifies up to 10,000 gallons of drinking water. This method purifies water to safe standards with no smoke, no heat signature, and no light. This requires a trade-off of a warm drink, and you must use precise mathematical dilution, specifically fractions of a teaspoon per gallon, to ensure safety. Shifting to a chemical-based water supply maintains invisibility for your household. The second requirement is maintaining health and preventing infection without drawing attention to your medical supplies. Unscented baby wipes and baking soda replace traditional bathing. This dry hygiene routine stops body odors from giving away your location, while baking soda handles everything from digestive treatment to surface disinfection. For acute injuries, medical-grade superglue seals lacerations faster than bandages and holds under physical stress when sutures are unavailable. Proper preventative tools stop injuries before they happen. Pure wool socks insulate even when saturated to prevent foot wounds. And leather palm-work gloves protect your hands while clearing sharp, broken debris. Scented hygiene products or visible first aid setups broadcast your resources. These dry, obscure methods keep your medical readiness hidden. Preventative hygiene and rapid wound closure reduce the risk of life-threatening sepsis when medical access is cut off. Shelter and light discipline are difficult to maintain in a suburb, where neighbors are watching for any sign of heat or power. Brightly colored survival tents broadcast your location. In a populated area, 6mm black contractor garbage bags are a more effective tool. This setup requires thick commercial-grade aluminum foil, 6mm contractor bags, and original fabric-backed duct tape. This comparison matrix shows the visibility footprint. Taping contractor bags over windows and layering commercial foil creates structural waterproofing and absolute light bleed blocking, ensuring no flashlight beam is visible from the outside. While this setup is aesthetically grim and requires manual labor, it traps body heat and seals out moisture for pennies. Maintains neighborhood anonymity. Perimeter defense that relies on firearms is loud and escalates conflict immediately. Effective security requires early warning before a situation turns lethal. Rigging 30 meters of 20-pound monofilament fishing line provides a low-cost silent alert system. Deployed at ankle height, the monofilament acts as a near-invisible tripwire around your rest position or entry points. This also provides a silent protein source when combined with basic hooks. The entire kit weighs less than an ounce. Effective early warning systems do not require battery-powered electronics. Passive barriers alert you to movement before a potential threat reaches your door. The final skill is maintaining situational awareness and coordination when modern digital networks fail. This requires two analog tools, a hand crank AM/FM radio and a waterproof contact book. This timeline tracks infrastructure failure. While cell towers and internet lines flatline within hours of a major grid stress event, independent AM broadcast towers are designed to transmit emergency alerts for weeks. Analog communication is one way. You can receive information, but you cannot broadcast out or instantly verify your family's location. Paper, ink, and a hand crank radio require zero charging and produce no digital footprint, providing information without a connection to the grid. Combining these 5 obscure items and skills creates a holistic strategy for surviving a prolonged disruption. Preparedness in a populated area is defined by drawing the minimum amount of attention. You can map your strategy using this decision tree. The primary question is whether you live within 100 yards of neighbors. If the answer is yes, you are in a high-density environment. You must prioritize invisibility and adopt these silent skills to remain safe. If the answer is no, you have the advantage. Deep rural homesteaders can safely prioritize scale using generators and visible resources with less immediate threat of observation. Survival depends on a low-profile mindset and securing these obscure items before the hardware store shelves empty.